We already know that Solidcam is the most advanced CAM solution on the market, but can a total newcomer learn it? I want to make and sell my very first part, shoelace aglets. I designed in SolidWorks because Solidcam is directly integrated into it, so if I have any design changes, my toolpaths will automatically update, which saves a tremendous amount of time. My stock, coordinate systems, and tool library were set up in no time. I'm not just learning Solidcam, I'm learning the entire machining process. So I did a lot of guessing, which is okay because lightning-fast machine simulation inside of Solidcam tells me if I've made any expensive mistakes before I even start cutting. And the built-in chatbot walked me through anything I was unsure of. Once the toolpath was good and my feeds and speeds were dialed in, we posted our G-code. I put my goggles on, tooled up my machine, and hit run cycle. There you have it. I was able to make my first Swiss part, actually my first part ever, all thanks to Solidcam. See you at the top.